It's an important function of your business that employees get paid correctly and payroll taxes are deposited correctly and stuff like that. I think payroll is the most important day of the week. I honestly really like paying people because if I'm making money, they should get paid and they should make some money too. Sure. So I put a lot of pride in payroll. I always have. Hi, my name is H.Clarke. My company is H.Clarke Services. I've been in the janitorial business for just over 21 years. I've been a customer of CPP for just over 8 years now also. We specialize in normal cleaning. We do carpets, floors, construction cleanup, water remediation, and some other items as well. I've always had pay-as-you-go with workman's comp, and they decided to run an audit on my business, and there was no need for it. And I'll be honest with you, they demanded money, like $2,100, like in 2 days. I cajoled, I called them, and I asked them to back off a little bit, and so they gave me like 7 days, and I dumped them. They collected $700. They just took the money. So I don't think I was without a payroll company for long, if at all. My insurance carrier, he recommended you guys. Sue came to our residence, and we hooked up with you guys. Well, first of all, you're nice people. I get very good service. I think all three, Joanne, Tiffany, and Jonathan Bell, are all very professional. They're prompt. You can count on them calling you. They call me on Tuesday mornings for my numbers. So if I need a special report for like an employee is going from Social Security, or I need a payroll period printed out, Jonathan now is very helpful, very quick. I will call him with a question, and he knows the answer like right there. If not, he'll get back to me, and he does. Or I ask him to fax me something to make sure my fax machine is working, which he did. The biggest thing is like when you fill out certain reports for employees, like Social Security, they want these like 10 years ago sometimes, whatever. That's where I'll go to him. I have all this stuff on hand, but it's easier if he does it, and he does. Actually, there's been times I've asked for information that I've been impressed that he's done for me. Well, I have recommended you guys. Of all the professional people I know, they might say they're not happy with their service, and I tell them about CPP. So I have several times, and I will. There's no reason not to. Hi, my name is H.Clarke, and I love Payroll Country. Thank you. Was that okay? Okay.